Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ka makahinga? Prepare na kayo.
Si JR, Kim, Jazz, Jericho, tsaka Aaron. Gege.
I love to travel. Minsan nadadamay lang siya sa akin sa mga travel. But yeah, he enjoys it naman din. Highlights.
Nagtutunan mo. Okay lang po yun. Kunan niyo.
Ay, napasok na.
Sakto ba yan, boy? Yan. Scammer. Scammer. Prank. Si Maya.
Diba yan?
JR. J.
Sana okay ka lang. See you later. Chill lang.
Sayo mo pa. Ako na yan.
Sobrang happy. Today, it's finally come. Huh?
No, ano lang na ano eh.
Excited ka lang.
Hindi.
No.
Ang diwa ng pagmamahal ay hindi nanggagaling sa pandinig, sa puso. Because the heart has ears. When two ears are joined together, it becomes the form of heart.
Thank you, ma. Sa pagtulong.
My eyes, I'm staring at the ceiling. For a while, now my heart's got this feeling. My eyes, there must be more for seeing. And I know that everybody's dreaming. They grow like titans, or it seems. And I know, I must be planted for a reason.
Ito na lang. Carry ba?
If you could be my skies, and I could be a wildflower. Yeah, I could be a wildflower.
Thank you po. Oh, nandiyan na siya?
I'll bloom to make it.
Wala, hindi ko pa nakikita kanina eh. Ngayon, yan na. Ayoko isipin. Parang hindi ako kapahan.
Open skies, and I could be a wildflower.
A person who is loving knows how to hear, not just from the hearing, but from the heart.
Like miles and miles away, but I believe
Father.
that
Yes, po, Father.
everything's about to change.
Just always put God in the center of your marriage life, ganun lang, para maganda ang buhay.
Okay, ma.
Okay, ma.
Yeah, I could be a wildflower. And underneath the sea of stars, I'll bloom
nakahintay. You may now kiss the bride in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You could be my open sky. You could be my open sky.
Thank you sa lahat ng tulong at suporta. Andito lang si Mama pag kailangan mo. Thank you sa lahat.